What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building, guys. I hope you are out there enjoying this weekend, getting the last of the enjoyment and the relaxation from being away from the market. But you already know what time it is. It's time for us to get into our studying to be able to figure out what this market is going to try to throw at us come Monday through Friday. So here we go. You already know I'm going to bring the heat. I'm going to show you what I think that the market is trying to do. I'm going to give you a couple plays to put on your radar. Let's get it. Before we do that, guys, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. That way you stay on top of these dynamite plays. Guys, I want to celebrate some wins that we had this week. We're going to go ahead and jump into that first. All right, family, the first shout out is going to go to Hammer Herd. Poured in $900 on Tesla today. Thank you, sir. Champagne bottles in the air for that right there. $900 on Tessie. You did the doggone thing. I am super duper proud of you. Champagne bottles in the air. Keep grinding, my guy. The next one comes from Call Me Young. D Fresh. Boom. Let's get it. I'm taking this win and getting the heck out of the market for the day. I will not overtrade. Man, I like that. A lot of people need to get that part right there. Once you make some good money, get out of there. You don't have to trade every single play. Make you a bag, get out, come back into the market tomorrow, or if you make a considerable bag like that $900 play, the previous shot out, man, that's enough for the whole week. You ain't even got to get back in there, get your mind right, celebrate a little bit, and then come back the next week. This is where you understand how to win by not over trading. So, man, shout out to you for putting that out there right there. Champagne bottles in the air for you. Keep grinding. I'm super duper proud of you. Next one come from Karma Serrano. D Fresh, before the trading day is over, I gotta thank you for those levels, man. Day after day, you help us with twos and gems to help us in this crazy market. You are much appreciated, brother. Looking forward to next week. I am super duper proud of you. Keep grinding. Champagne bottles in the air for you. So, man, I'm telling you, when I see these wins, just know I'm out here celebrating with y'all. I'm popping bottles. I'm celebrating. There's nothing more than I love to see than you guys posting those plays, posting your wins, and out there making money. I love it. Keep doing your thing. All right, newbies, beginners, y'all come on up. I got a couple for you. Ticker symbol KO. This one can give you some nice moves to the upside and the downside. You know what we do? We follow the trend. We follow whichever way they trying to take us, and we capitalize on there. So they're sitting at 70.35. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than this area right here at 70.75. If they can do that right there, next level up, boom, they're going to try to run it up to these tops right here at 70.95. It's going to be a heavy level. Expect some kickback right there. You see what happened once they got that area. They shot it all the way down. They break through that. They come into these tops right here, 71.35, and then boom, 72.05 will be in play. But guys, look at what happened. You see they shot. They ran it all the way down to one of my key areas right here. So if you are a bear, you want to see them open somewhere around 70.20. If they can do that right there, they can start bringing this thing back down to 69.95 en routes to back to this level down here at 69.55. They break through that right there. You got this turbulence, and you got boom, 68.90 on deck. Another level down is going to be 68.60, and then boom, 68.20. Next level down is going to be this area at 67.65, and they lose that. They can come tumbling all the way back down to this 66.44 area. So they can fall really hard once they start losing some key areas in there. Next ticker up is going to be another one that can give you some nice moves up and down, and you can be able to make some decent profit. Ticker symbol UBER, aka Uber Technologies. They're sitting at 72.70. If you are a bull, what you want to see them get through 72.90. If they can can do that right there. They're going to start climbing this thing up. You got 73.10 on deck. Next level up is going to be 73.30. Next level after that, you got 73.45. Some areas of interest at 73.60. And what you want to see if you plan this ticker right here, 73.75 get taken out. They start closing candles. When I say they, I mean in the bulls. They start closing candles above 73.80. Check this out. Boom! They're going to run this thing up 74.20. They got some turbulence they're going to get met with right in here at 74.40. And they can slowly start chopping this thing up. You got 74.80 en routes to these tops in here at 75.20. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than these middles right in here at 72.60. They can do that. Next level down is going to be 72.50. You got these bottoms right here, 72.35. They lose that right there. And guys, just be careful with that, because you see they came down, they went up, came down, got smacked again. They coming down. That'll form another bottom. Expect the bulls to try to bounce it up, but if they can't do so, they coming back down. You got 72.10, next level 71.85, and then boom, 71.40. There you go in those. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? I got a couple for you as well. First one up is going to be ticker symbol TSLA. They are sitting at 263.50. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 264.75. They can do that. Next level up is going to be 266. Next level after that is 267.10. They break through that. You got an area of interest from 268.10 all the way up to 269.45. They can start getting through that. You got this middle over here at 273.80 and routes to boom, 278.75. They need to get above this 280.55 before they can really start getting busy, and we can see that run back up to the 290 area. But you guys already know with Tesla, I'll be calling that out in real time, walking those plays down as levels get taken out. To the downside, you see how many times they hit this bottom? 1, 2, 3, 4. You want to see them open lower than 260.60. If they can do that right there, they can start pushing this thing down. You got an area of interest right here at 258.05, another one at 256.50. They lose this. Check this out. Boom, they coming down to 249.30. There you go in that one. Anything lower, we'll be calling out in the Discord. Next ticker up is going to be the SPY. And guys, you know, we walked down the SPY. We got busy in SPY. Shout out to everyone that was able to catch that SPY play that I put out. SPY calls are breaking hold up at 567.55, but we know we follow the trend. If the trend is down, we're not looking for bullish plays. SPY puts a break and hold down at 564.90. This play gave us a $10 pullback. So I'm proud of you guys that was able to catch it. I know you guys was catching it because I seen the money that you guys were saying that you were making. I am super duper proud of y'all. Champagne bottles in the air for everybody. We've walked that play down all the way from 564. We are sitting somewhere around 559, 560 when I put this play out. SPYs need to break down at 558.30 for more blood. 557 will become a spot of interest for the bears. And guys, you know, I always give you that upside level too. Once you start seeing them taking out that area, we know we got to come up out of our puts. Our job is to preserve the bread. And if you see Tiger walking that thing down, you already know we done smacked it out of the ballpark, or we walking down our plays. 556, bears can keep pushing this lower. Next level is 556.20, 555.95. Heavy level. That means we need to consider taking profits, because that heavy level should make or should result in a crazy bull push to the upside. I said above 556.95 and holding above, bulls can spark some life and attempt a push. At the moment, we are bearish. I said if you are in puts, be careful. Bears can get it to 550, 550 heavy level. Bulls can pop it, kind of a bottom of a channel. When I say a bottom of a channel, that means it's getting closer to that demand area where the bulls can start coming to life. They're hanging. They got their homies. They got their buddies. And they like, man, soon as them bears show up here, we going at them. And then they have that fight to see if they can pump it higher. If they get rejected, you already know they coming up. I'm giving you areas up there to pay attention to as well. And you see Tiger pumping that thing up, expect anything different. Who else out here this raw? Man, I'll let y'all answer that right there. I ain't going to be the judge of that, but boom, target hit. Every one of the targets we put out hit. And you see SPY, 555.20 breakdown. Bears will try to punch it down again. Bulls need to recover a level at 556.35. And guys, let's take this thing back to the charts, guys. This is what we were doing. We were coming down. We were hitting this top. We were coming back down. We were hitting another top. And we coming back down. Now we hitting another top. You already know we coming down. I always say it's innocent into proven guilty. Right now, we know what happens when we get double tops. It comes back down. So we have to respect that when we see that and respect that it's going to come back down. Now they waiting to knock out these bottoms right here before they continue to run. But guys, I'm out here letting you know, I'm throwing these diagrams up there. And I say SPY, they got hit with the double top. Let's see if this double bottom can bounce it for an end of day rally, or will Bulls give up 555.20 and Bears try to sink this ship? Power hour, you guys know I kind of sit tight in power hour. I don't put no plays out there. I don't take any plays in power hour because I don't like how Wall Street try to play with us in that area right there. You can be up a whole lot in a matter of seconds. They pull that rug, you up out of your plays and usually taking a loss for the day. I don't like ending my day like that, so I'm good. Power hour, I'm sitting back watching the show. So, all right, peeps, let's go ahead and see what SPY got in store for us tomorrow. SPY is currently sitting at 555.80. If you are a bull, what you want to see them break free of these tops right here. So let's just say we want to see them get clear of those tops, and that starts at 556.95. If we can clear that right there, next run up is going to be boom, 557.60. You got some turbulence in here. You got to run up. You got 558.80. They are trying to get to this spot right here at 559.75. If we can hold that level right there, they're going to try to shoot their shot. You got 560.50 on deck. Next level is an area of interest at 560.92. And check this out. They get a hold of that. Watch this run. Boom! You got 563.90 run up on deck. So guys, put that on your notepads. Put that anywhere where you need your part of your trading plan, somewhere close to where you see this level get taken out. 561.30, you already know. Man, Fresh said if we can hold above that, the Bulls is going to try to slow grind this. You got an area of interest, 562.90, and then boom, they're going to run this thing up. You got 563.90 on deck. So that is something for you to pay attention to. A couple areas of interest to the upside. And when you see those levels start getting violated, you already know what to do. To the downside, you want to see these bottoms get taken out. 555.05. They start opening up lower than that right there with some pressure and the trend is in our favor. Check this out. Boom. You coming back down to 552.10 and we can start punching that thing much lower from there. You got that level. You got 551.40. Next level down. You got 550.50 and then boom, we up under 550. We at 549.95. So I get a lot of messages is when I put it out and I say, man, we ready to jump up $2 or $3. Fresh, are you serious? How do you know that we ready to run up? When people ask me that question, I always respond back with years of studying SPY. I've been just like you. If you are a newbie and you are a beginner, I would tell you stay away from SPY. Pay attention to tickers that I gave out earlier in the video, or Hood, Palantir, tickers that's going to be more beginner friendly and ain't going to smack you and give you the abuse that SPY is going to give you. SPY will make you feel sick for the rest of the week if you catch a bad break. But don't get in that. Start with the smaller ones and then graduate and then study SPY. I study SPY. I got tired of getting smacked by SPY and I learned to study SPY almost every move. And guys, if you know you rock with me and if you've been rocking with me for a minute, you know I can call out SPY better than anybody else out there that's doing this. When I'm putting this technical analysis breakdown in the Discord, I'm giving you the best TA breakdown that's out there at that moment. And you know, you see it every single day. All we got to do is once those levels get violated, we sit back just like that, guys. So it was fun, guys. I can't wait to get back at it Monday morning. I'll see y'all then. But for everybody else that's watching, if you're not in the Discord, come see us in the Discord. That way you got access to my full list of morning call outs, as well as the technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. But guys, I done took enough of your time. Hey, if you like sniper tight, level to level periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it.